Whenever you use a Google product, you're connecting to one of our data centers around the world. Let's take a look inside and see how they work. Google employees work here, keeping the data center up and running 24 hours a day. The networking room is the first stop on our data center floor. The equipment here routes requests to the right servers in the next room. These computers also allow our data centers to communicate with one another globally. On the server floor, powerful computers handle everything from billions of searches to hosting YouTube videos and protecting your email against viruses. We've custom designed these servers to be compact and energy efficient. To ensure you have access to your data whenever you need it, we keep each piece of data stored on at least 2 servers. We store another copy of the most important data on digital tapes. When a hard drive breaks, we erase all of its content. Then, for extra security, we destroy it with our disk crusher. The machines in our data centers are always working. Cooling towers like these pipe in water to cool them down and keep them running. When the water heats up, we pump it back outside where it evaporates. Now that you've had a glimpse, walk inside yourself. Explore a Google data center with Street View.